Okay, we have
Whoop.
on here, we have some salivary glands. The one by your cheek that you squirt when you eat a lemon. What is that one?
The lemon gland.
Carotid. Think of carotid in your neck and it'll help. But carotid. You got this guy under your tongue.
Sublingual.
Sublingual. The one under your jaw.
Maxillary.
Submandibular.
Oh, mandibular.
Under your jaw. So carotids, sublingual, submandibulars. Those are the three salivary gland types. So that one's not on the model. Here we have our omentum. Which omentum would this one be? It's the greater, because that would then hang from my stomach over the front of my intestines.
And it was a membrane?
It's like a membrane. It's a big bunch of fat, really. It's a fatty thing. And then this thing within the intestines, that's the mesentery. It's within the mess. So the fat that makes your intestines curlicue, that's mesentery, the apron's omentum. So omentum here, mesentery is there.
To all the yellow crud.
All the yellow crud. And these are epiploic appendages, the little balls of fat hanging off your large intestine. Epi on top of ploa is another word for this stuff.
Okay.
It's liver time. Okay.
Woo.
There was one more liver here. Is there another liver?
Is that it?
There should be one more. There's one that has its own model. Give me a second to find. There should be, because that's the other one you want to know, because they're also, there it is, way up there, I see.
That was a rock star move.
Okay, every liver is different. So hence you have to memorize them all, but there's a rationale to it. We'll start with this one. Okay, so liver, let's do some stuff. What do you call the chunks of liver? Lobe. If in doubt, say lobe. Okay, this thing here, that splits it up.
Fissure?
No, it's a ligament actually.
Oh.
It's a falciform ligament. It looked like a falcon to somebody once drunk in Roman times. Right, so that's your falciform ligament. Kind of breaks up the lobes. Then we have this green thing on the back or underneath. Gallbladder. Now where life gets difficult are the tubes. So here's the easy way to do it. What you want to do is find the gallbladder. You want to find the tube that goes from your liver to your gallbladder, which is this one right here. What do you call that tube that would have bile in it?
Common bile duct.
No, that's not. Not this one. This one's called your cystic duct. This is how the bile goes from liver to gallbladder. Remember cholecystokinin.
Is that the red one
No, it's
you're
the green
pointing to? Or? Oh, the green one. I'm sorry.
This is the cystic duct, the one from gallbladder and liver. Okay?
The green one.
That one on our list.
It should be. Is it on there? It better be on there.
Cystic duct.
Cystic duct under gallbladder.
Oh, under gallbladder. Okay.
Okay. So that's your cystic duct. Then there's going to be a green tube that goes back and hides inside the liver, right there. How would you say liver tube?
Hepatic
duct. So you have your hepatic duct in your liver,
So,
your cystic ducts in your gallbladder.
oh, so it's a little green one.
The little green
okay. Cool.
Then you got the one that joins those, and usually they've cut on the models and would go all the way down your small intestine. That one is the common bile duct. So there's usually three. There's a cystic to the gallbladder, hepatic to the liver, common bile has been cut to your small intestine. The problem is each liver does that differently. So on this model, here's gallbladder, here's liver, that must be my cystic duct because it goes from the gallbladder to the liver. These two vanish inside my liver, so this must be hepatics. This one's been cut, that must be common bile. Now, option 3. Which duct would this one be right here? Cystic. What about this one here?
Hepatic.
What about this one here?
Common bile.
How about that? You're catching on.
So I
Now
didn't,
let's do this one.
totally didn't get it on that one, but
This one here.
yeah.
Cystic.
This one here.
Hepatic.
This one here.
Common
Common.
bile.
That's the secret. Notice how they all look very different?
That one was most confusing to me
Okay?
for some reason.
So every liver is different, but the relationship is the same if you just track the green tube. And then these ones would be different yet again. They're going to have different orientations. So in your liver, find a landmark like the gallbladder, and then work your way backwards. But
Get
learning
out of
zoos
your
are
way.
fun. These are
Now
worse.
there's right and left hepatic duct.
Do you have a favorite liver?
I don't know, they're all kind of neat. Some of the models have a right and left. So like this one does not show, this just has one hepatic. This one shows the right and left hepatics.
Okay.
This one only shows one hepatic. This one shows right and left.
And they're all always going to be red. They're a duct.
The ducts are the green.
So where's the right and left hepatic duct?
So
That's these green ones, here and here.
these ones.
Okay.
So
And then the right and left.
right, left.
Oh, and then you've got hepatic vein and
Sorry.
artery. So
Yes.
and some of them have a left and right. No, just. No. Okay.
Hepatic vein artery should just be one. Right.
This one.
Oh, there's your ampulla. Okay, I found it. You have an ampulla. Okay.
Where was the ampulla again?
Right there. That's
But
this
on the
spot right here.
Oh, that's that spot. Okay.
Right.
Green.
Ligament. I think I got all that. So the livers, you have to just pay attention to where the tubing goes. There's no rhyme or reason why the malls look that way.
Okay.
Could you show us the ampulla again?
The ampulla is the space by the sphincter.
And the green is the.
This would be the common bile duct
common
coming down
bile.
from my liver. And then we have our pancreatic duct, the bone of the fish, that comes in from my pancreas, and they go into my small intestine through that ampulla sphincter.
Is that where the buffer comes in from the
Yep,
pancreas?
buffer and all the enzymes get dumped from the fish bone.
Sweet.
And these are all the models.
The board boys are your favorite. Little mini men are really good too. He has a really good mate. In fact, he has the best. One on the left has the best duodenal papilla in town. So if you want to find a good duodenal papilla, visit him. He's the only one that has the omenta. Is the ugly guy on the right. And then little mini Reddy here. He's got everything this does, but you can take it out.
Ah.
The only one you can't see on the models are when you're looking straight at the jaw, where they do the arches and stuff. That you actually have to have a picture straight on. You can't see it from the side.
Okay.
That'd be kind of a poster thing.
Are the veins and arteries the hepatics, even though on this one?
Yes. So hepatic, on this one, this would be the hepatic artery here. This would be,
Do you know
here,
the
bear
arteries
orientation here.
Do you know the atrazine for this stuff?
This one. This would be hepatic portal. This would be hepatic
Say that
vena
again?
cava. Hepatic portal, hepatic vena cava. This one's different. This one has. This is hepatic portal. This is hepatic. This is vena cava. This one has something in purple that I don't know. All right. This one does. Okay. Yeah. Hepatic portal, hepatic artery. So they're all a little slightly different. Vena cava.
Okay.
Those are all on our sheet.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Thank you.
It's a big lab.